If you have a restaurant or takeaway business, this system could be perfect for boosting your sales. Here's how it works. A customer walks in and places an order. You ask them if they would like a discount with that. Now who would say no to that, right? But all they have to do is scan a QR code to get their discount. The customer is then added to your SMS contact list of buying customers. You can broadcast a text message to your whole list anytime you want, all from your own smartphone. The research shows that 98% of text messages are read within just a few seconds of being received. This means that you can reach your best customers instantly. This is perfect for those slow days, booking no-shows, and for drawing in the lunch break and evening meal crowds. Now you can test this system out for free for 2 whole weeks with no obligation. Then you can either love it or leave it, but we think that you will absolutely love it. Find out more at the following link.